Hey, bud. Hi. You like your jumper? You like that? Yeah. Hey, Eddie. How old are you? How old are you? Are you 4 months? Yeah? 4 months and a week? Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. No. Say yummy. Okay, just hold on to that one. Say yummy. Is it yummy? Oh, okay, okay. You like it? You want to feed yourself? You're so messy. You're so messy. Okay. Okay. Let's just keep switching off.
מספיק עם הכפות האלה, מספיק. תפסיק עם הכפות האלה. תפסיק. תפסיק. מספיק כבר. מספיק עם הכפות האלה. בוא'נה אתה. תזהה, תתחיל להיזהר אתה. אתה לא יודע עם מי אתה מתעסק. של אהבה. מי יפה? מי יפה? של מי התושי כזה? של מי? של מי?
Where's Nemo? I want the bum.
Yes?
After you, I can use that.
Yeah, I just want to get a little bit of Ueli in the jumper. See how tall he is. You like the jumper? You want to go show him something on the jumper?
Yeah.
Your favorite part?
Where is it?
Which part do you like?
Where is it?
Where's what? What are you looking for?
What are you telling me?
No, I said, what? You just go show him whichever part you like to play with when you were a baby.
Oh. No. What part I played when I was a baby? You know what part I played? This one.
Which one? The yellow piece?
Yeah.
You know what? You really liked the tomato and the corn and the carrot on the other side, and you liked the storybook too.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's on it? This one?
Yeah.
I turned around like this.
Yep.
Like this.
Oh. Okay. You know what though?
This.
Yeah.
This. I know. You're ready! You're good.
He did?
Good job, you. I'll give you a sticker.
A sticker? That would be so nice.
You know, that's what I like when I was a baby. I like this music when I
You did? You liked that song?
yeah. You know
Hi.
what song again, Ella?
Which song? Careful, Ella.
Back to Ella. Move back.
Ella, don't do that, please. That's not safe, okay? Please don't do that. He doesn't like it.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom.
Yes.
When somebody says Mom with a big one,
Yeah.
they say Mom.
Oh, I don't know if you have to say it like that. You could say, Mom, excuse me.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture after you.
Okay.
And you show me or would press.
Okay, let's make him laugh. You, Ellie!
Yeah, ready.
You, Ellie!
Yeah, ready.
Where's a baby? Who's a baby boy? That's a good idea. Go play peekaboo with him. That's a good idea. You're so smart. Yeah, baby. Oh. Ow, Ella.
Sorry. I want to see too.